Oh dear. Cole. Check this out though. Got the Trimberlinis around the door. Because the garage door deck's supposed to be here. I mean, I'm not a professional by any stretch, so we're going to need to use a little bit of the caulk on there, but, you know, she's on there. Got above the garage door, and, you know, everywhere where the garage door needs. We just need to throw some steel up here. We're going to do, you know, three sheets. So it's like this whole area here, the ceiling is done, and then we could, you know, after the doors are on, it won't be minus 97 in here. We could take this door off, finish the vapor barrier, because you can't get to that truss for staples because the track's there and stuff, right? So take all that down, and then we'll remove this metals, and then we got the rest of the door, get the ceiling, and then there's some red underneath that white there for just to finish cobble, and you know, there's just 3 strips, and then along the top there, whatever, and then yeah, that'll be done. You got the Trimberlinis all into position. Can't remember what else. Oh yeah, and then I got these 2 cars ready yesterday. Look at this. That's why I wanted to get this truck in the garage last winter, and then not headline the 13th. Holy! Led Zeppelina. The great Led Zeppelina. Yeah, let me know if you want me to do more spleeny videos like this, rather than just, you know, not saying anything and just doing stuff. Just remember, I have to edit this, right? So I gotta like listen to this myself again already when I already said it once. Holy shit, right? But look at the yard, boys. Oh my goodness, it's just awesome. Like I can't even. There's so many more rooms. I got a little bit of a new thingamajigger from a tractor I gotta pick up today. Go see Jim Berlini quick. Gotta get some sagrets. And yeah, take a load in. Taking loads, boys. Loads. This is gonna suck. I still have like 30 or so under curtains I gotta do, but I only have enough oil for like 10. I'm supposed to get oil like 2 weeks ago. No. Why would I want to get oil for my oiling operation? That'd be stupid. You just tell me 2 weeks. Really mean never. And then I'll just be cool with that. Oh, but any words, off to Shatamas. Got rid of this. I gotta pick up a tractor Fosnell, and I actually can't even wait. I wanted to get one of these tractor Fosnells for a long time. It's gonna be awesome. I'll have nothing to film going over the tracks anymore. A big thunderous katunk. Holy, building a dormitory. Yeah. $18,140. Friggin' Red Dragoon. And a Red Dragoon. Decent. Oh, he's gonna see all the tires. Oh, he sees the tires. Ooh, another dog. Thank you. 11,660, 680. Oh dear. Okay. Oh dear. What happened? Sales and service.
The destination is on your right.
That should be good.
Good there?
Yep. Thank you muchly.
No problem. Thank you, sir. Yeah, I gave you my card, so if you see anything else that tickles your fancy, just let me know.
Right on, man.
All right.
Yes, sir. Thanks a lot.
No problem. Safe travels.
There's some nice rebars out there.
Pretty good ones,
What are they doing? Is it rebarring?
We're adding a curb.
Oh, nice. You need a curb there.
Get a curb. Getting a curb.
Oh, my dirts.
Your dirt.
Need those.
Your derelicts.
Oh, want to see something fucking awesome?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not as awesome as shoes, but oh, I could show you my penis too. Sakes. The cab like tips, you know what I mean? Like the engine's like it's a cab over, you know what I mean? So you like sit in front of the fucking tires, you're like driving like this and shit. Fuck awesome, man. Like it's only 12-foot wheelbase. It's only 17 feet long. It's shorter than my pickup truck.
Yeah, it looks short as shit.
But it's a Dodge. It's a fucking
Nice.
Dodge. Yeah.
Nice.
But it's way up north and shit and fuck. So I got to get it like trucked down. I could go and get it, but it's like 10 hours away and quit that. Plus it's winter as fuck up there and I quit.
Yeah.
So you're making a rap video on the weekend?
Yeah, on Saturday. It's more awesome.
You should fucking drive, have my truck in it.
You gonna have your truck?
Well, you said you need a bitch and an awesome car. Well, it's pretty awesome.
You gonna put a wig on?
Yeah. Well, I'm not the bitch. You use my truck
Oh.
for your video.
Yeah, nobody.
What do you mean?
So probably not.
Oh, I'll just bring the rustiest one I have. You'd be like, yeah, fuck this and that shit. Eh? This is fucking exquisite. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, smoke cigarettes, Jim. Oh, friggin' right. My new pincher. I can just go around pinching stuff terrible now. Well, hopefully I haven't tried it yet, but that's the plan anyway. And then come springtime we can do some cleanup jobs and different things. Get more attachments, and the more shit I can do. Be awesome. Blockety Splockenstein just in time for the oils too. Got my oils. All my empties are gone. Decent. Look at all the room for activities in here, boys. All my empties are gone. Yeah. So I'll have to set that up and this and that. I got undercurtains tomorrow. I was almost out of oil too. I only got like one, maybe 5 gallons or so left. 4 gallons, something like that. Not good. Okay, well, I want to play with my tractor, but before I play with my tractor, I got to make sure I get at least enough of the ceiling done so that the garage door dick has something to screw the track and everything to for the garage doors so that we can shut the door and Finish the garbage. The garbaccio. Oh, it's gonna be so nice to have the doors on here. Be able to take that door off. Look at these flips. Like it's like gonna be awesome. You know what I mean? But still lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of work to do. That's how I know. It's the plan. Bring it over here, lift it up onto the side, and then one of us will hold it and the other one will come up here and hold it, and then they'll both be up here, and then we'll grab it and we'll lift it up and we'll get it into position. And we got these triangle potatoes. Stand those up just to hold it, you know, so you can kind of just, you know, hold it without holding it. And then yeah, it'll be awesome. Lift it up. Careful. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. And we're over this way.
Yeah. Go over?
Yeah. Careful, Tippy.
Okay.
That's a nice fender.
The door's actually pretty good.
Yeah, not too
There's
bad. A
no
little
holes
spot on it.
It's just a little bit of.
A little crusty.
I know. I'd rather just be one full color again. You know, it would have been nice to do this a little warmer out.
I think for $12 you can get a can of spray paint.
Yeah. Good old rattle can.
Oh man, not even done friggin' sticking around. Don't even be able to play with my new tractor bit yet. I want to see if my give her the glow plug. Just strip and bolts relentless.